Hey folks, Kelly here from All True Solution, and if you have just a couple of minutes, I'm going to talk to you about something that could change your life because it certainly changed mine. I'm going to talk about Derek Vidal in IGM University and Derek's contribution to the success of me and the success of my company through online marketing and through social media platforms, primarily Instagram, but we also touched on Facebook, and we touched on how all these platforms interact with each other. So just a brief history, as brief as I can be, is I was an executive in a very conservative business here in Southeast Missouri, $130 million business, and I had served as director of marketing and various executive roles, and had pretty much experience in traditional marketing media, newspaper, radio, television, direct marketing, and my concept has always been the same, and it hasn't changed, that all things being equal, friends buy from friends. All things not being equal, friends find a way to buy from friends. So I'd spun my wheels with Facebook business, and had learned enough, had kind of seen some of the roadblocks I was getting, and my sister-in-law had started her online business in the beauty hair products. And I noticed she had a massive amount of followers on Instagram, and then her network had even more followers on Instagram. And I asked her the question. I said, I don't think that platform's going to work for me, because I'm so specialized. My primary revenue stream is traditional consulting for electrical and plumbing distributors. And my sister-in-law said something that changed my life. She said, everybody says that. You too can be the rock star of your industry. And that got me to thinking about my love for content creation, my passion for photography. And so I talked to her a little bit, and I wanted to learn more about Instagram. And so I found Derek Vidal's podcast, Instagram Marketing Masters. And I listened to it on the way to a flight out of St. Louis, and it just happened to be on engagement. So I engaged Derek using a DM. Hell, I had to Google what a DM was. And I still have it. I said, dig the podcast, thumb up, thumb up. And Derek said, thank you, my friend. Right? And I said, I live a couple hours from the airport, and I just started listening to your podcast. And he said, you got this. Right? Quick, brief engagements. And eventually he asked me, hey, reviews are appreciated. That's all he said. I wrote him a review. One thing led to another, and we started talking about Instagram University. And I was part of the beta program with Instagram University, and I was so blessed. The price was very affordable, still affordable. A lot of value in what Derek is charging for IGM University, because I got this Boston online website now, right? Username and password. It has all the modules in it. Building a strong foundation. Expert content creation, understanding the algorithm. That's what I needed. I needed to ramp up quickly on Instagram. I needed to figure out how this platform fit in with the other platforms that I had experience in, right? I knew that there was a place for Instagram. I just needed to get there quickly. Derek's course allowed me to do that. Growth hacks, engagement hacks, forming collaborations, driving sales, cross-pollination techniques, really cool. Some great stuff in there about pixels and how we tie CRM in with, which is a lot. I've done a lot of CRM, a lot of direct mail marketing, a lot of email marketing. How do I bring Instagram into the fold? How do I bring Facebook in the fold? And now, we've got so many other platforms, LinkedIn, TikTok. It's all out there. It's all there for us. Derek's techniques. And I'm telling you, this guy is not just an online sort of flake. He's the real deal. I know what business education sounds like. Derek is definitely a business educated man. He is smart. I'm guessing probably executive MBA caliber. And how he uses these platforms is simply phenomenal. And so what Derek's allowed me to do is he's allowed me to refine my business with kind of an optimal marketing statement, kind of an optimal sales strategy, and allowing me to bring value, bring service to others, to ramp up quickly. In my small conservative market, my market is traditionally service, a lot of agriculture down here, not a lot of manufacturing. And so it's just perfect for online, because in a rural community, you can't get some of the things that people need, and you have to go online. And I've been able to carry that message successfully. And I'm so excited for what Derek's done for me and All True Solution, and where we're going in 2020. And I highly recommend this course. You won't be disappointed. You will learn so much about business, traditional marketing, and how platforms like Instagram can fit and make you grow at scale, taking the fear away, right? We've got to let our customers, our entrepreneurs, I do at least, entrepreneurs and businessmen, focus on their strengths and allow All True Solution to carry the message effectively using the available platform, in this case Instagram. Folks, love Derek. All things being equal, friends buy from friends. All things not being equal, friends find a way to buy from friends. Please give my friend Derek a chance, give him a shout out, engage him. You're going to like what he has. Kel Bob.